How to share internet from iPhone to other devices. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. On this page, turn on the mobile data switch as shown. And then, go to Personal Hotspot. Personal Hotspot allows you to share a cellular internet connection from your iPhone to other nearby devices. Over here, turn on the Allow Others to Join feature. With this setting, you can allow other users or devices not signed into iCloud to look for your shared network. You can now view and copy the Wi-Fi password from here and share it with your friends. Following these steps, you can easily share internet from iPhone to other devices. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.